Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to talk about Oasis Petroleum, and as you can see, you can find this stock in OTC market. And here, if you look at the basic details of this stock, it is saying it's engaged in hydrocarbon exploration and hydraulic fracturing. Okay, so anything which is related to petroleum, which is indeed a commodity, and it is in exploring the product, then one thing simply to understand here is, if the price of that particular product or commodity, and which is a commodity, okay, and it's been trading all across the world and completely based on supply and demand, then obviously a lower commodity price will hurt the company's profit very badly. And the way stock is going down, it's simply saying the same thing on your face. And if you are still unable to understand this, obviously what can you do without you have to bear the losses. Okay, and it's very much available in the trend. Let me tell you, that is the one big advantage of technical analysis, our fundamental analysis, because it's all about price and price action. Though sometimes trends will tell you that it's going down, and some people or some analysts who are using the fundamentals may not find any reason, and that's nothing wrong about it. But the reason evolves. The simple thing is, if a group of person who are managing the stocks of the market or the bigger chunk of the stock feels that it's not worth buying and they started selling, what is bound to happen, that stock will continuously make lower lows, and the people who think that no, was that there's going to be a very good trend tomorrow or something is going to change, that's not going to happen. That's never happened and that's not going to happen. And if you're thinking so, you are very new to the market. It doesn't matter wherever you are. Okay, so that's what the famous quote says, that Mr. Market is smarter than anybody. So it's you. If you want to be in the market, you have to act according to Mr. Market. Okay, so do not just think that nobody in the market is superior than the market itself. So here you have your trend. So if you were following technical analysis, then it's very clear that below $23 it's actually broke the trend which it was followed from 2011 till 2014, and since then it's actually going down. So the reason may not be clear, but after a span of 4 5 or 7 years, you can see what is happening in this particular stock. Okay, now talking about the trend, you can see here, this is your lowest low. I don't know how low it can go. It's 0.09. So if you're expecting that something is going to happen, obviously a trading bounce will definitely happen if it has to happen. But that is the word, it's a trading bounce. Okay, it's not a fundamental rally which can give you those old heydays and you will become rich. You can become a trading rich guy, but it's not going to fundamentally change the course of the business. So technically speaking, you have your bigger support at 0.09, below which either you make yourself out or just enjoy your losses. That's what I can say. And your first target or resistance will be 0.24, then you have 2.3, then you have 3.57, then you have $7 on the upside, further you have 15, then you have 17 and 23, and finally you have 57. So these are the range, or these are the targets which one can look on the upside. But is it possible? Yes, it is very much possible. If somebody started buying, it's going to go up, but how long will it sustain? That's a question you need to ask. And most importantly, the kind of bounce back you can see nowadays is more specifically to certain sectors where market is betting on, where peoples are betting on. It's not on oil. One day, the time will definitely come when things can change. If not fundamentally, then technically, you will see lots of gain. But that thing is not visible in the market right now, neither in the trend. So, what is available in the trend, you just need to follow and act accordingly. So, this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.